August 30. Now, it's Elvis Day. Happy birthday to you. Sarado ang Metropolis, Pag-asa, Binangonan, Rizal, Philippines. Hindi. Before anything else, again, I just want to greet you a happy birthday on your 32nd birthday existence in this earth. Wow, Miss Universe. But still, you are getting old. Joke. Accept the fact that you still look young. Kaingit. Talong-talo ang age na 18. Me? 18. You are sexier than me. But I am beautiful than you. Pero joke lang. Birthday mo eh. Hindi ko sisirain. Okay, Mami, I love you. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Andiyan na si Baby Sam, nandiyan na si Kuya Limbel. So, nasa yun na yung lahat. Good health na lang pala. And stay the same. Cause, like me, anak-anakan, you change me. I'm telling you. You're one of the reason why I keep on fighting. Wow, lalim. Thank you for everything. I love you. You are so makulit talaga. At your age, hindi na bagay. Charot. Nadadala naman ng ganda. Ayun lang. Happy birthday. I love you. Mwah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.